Now, Jamaica's six-member team will depart on Sunday for the fourth staging of the International University Sports Federation FISU Championships in Lima, Peru. It's the first time that Jamaica will be competing at this event, which is a regional championship for North America, South America and the Caribbean. Three-time Intercol 100-meter champion Rashid Foster of the Jamaica University College headlines Jamaica's six-member team to depart on Sunday for the championships. The team also includes sprinters DeAndre Daly of the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, Jace Witter from J.C. Foster College, Dejon Strawn of UTEC, Mark Anthony Daly from the University of Louisiana, and javelin thrower Javano Daly of Shortwood Teachers College. Intercol President and Head of Delegation Paul Beckford says the athletes are in good shape entering the championships.
Having spoken with them over the past few days, things are going good with them, and I'm comfortable with what we have so far in terms of their preparation. And I'm confident that, at least we should be able to come home with some medals in terms of their performances.
Beckford also assessed the athletes in the Jamaican contingent.
As you know, we have Rashid Foster, who has been on the international scene for a while. We have Mark Anthony Daly, DeAndre Daly, and Dejon Strawn. They have been doing well even on the local scene. And I am strong, of the opinion that with a team like this being put together, they should be doing well in their individual events and as well as the relay pool.
The Intercol boss also spoke about the efforts which combined to offset the expenses for the upcoming assignment.
University of Technology that have come on, Jamaica University College, Shortwood Teachers College, J.C. Foster, and the University at Louisiana State University, and all the other universities that have come on board to ensure that the athletes that are representing them are being paid for. And these are the institutions in Jamaica that have come aboard, and also the Jamaica Athletic Administrative Association, J3s, and the Ministry of Sports. They have really come on board and they have supported us, and we are really grateful for the support.
The athletes will bow into action on Wednesday.